Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and this is going to be an interesting video. It's been a while since I've been able to donate parts and labor for a job. I used to do that a lot when I was in school. So Aslam sent me a pair of wiper blades a while ago, and I've been wondering what I was going to do with these. I don't often replace wiper blades. That's something that a lot of people will just replace themselves. So I've been trying to find a good project to use these on, and the other day I had an acquaintance reach out and they asked me if I knew anything about wiper blades. And it's funny because I usually won't even do a call out for that, but they have an autistic child who broke some of their wiper blades, and they want me to take a look at it because they're not sure if they can just replace the wiper blades or not. So of course I want to help out, and luckily they have the wiper blades that fit this exact same size right here. So I'm going to use these wiper blades today thanks to Aslam. I'm just going to donate some time and see if I can fix their wiper blades for them. I'm assuming that these just need to be replaced, but if anything else serious is going on, then we'll take a look at that as well. Let's look at these wiper blades real quick. They look pretty nice. And these wiper blades are super nice. Check this out. These have a ton of bend in them, so these are going to push down super nice onto the windshield. But not only that, this Aslam brand wiper blades have replaceable little actual rubber wipers here. Oh. Okay, when you need to replace the refills here, here's how you do it. You take this and push it down. Until it gets to that hole right there, and then it'll slide out. Then you just slide the new one in, same way. On the bottom side on the end caps, there's a little left hand and a right hand side. On the left hand side is where you have to replace these. The right hand side doesn't have one of those holes. Okay, that's actually really funny, because I think I could just fix this easy, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace the wiper blades anyways. They don't look that old, but these new ones are a lot nicer. Yeah, I didn't know what they meant, but I just said come on over and I'll fix it. Nah, that's an easy one. Basically, could have done that, but not now. These are also just straight up a lot more secure. So their kid's not going to be able to just pull these off next time anyways. All right, check out how great these look. I love how the wiper on the driver's side is a little bit wider, so you get better viewing on that side, but still the same coverage area. Thanks again to Aslam for sponsoring this video. My friend was super happy I was able to fix this. Not just fix it, but get him some better wipers. If you want to help support the channel, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you on the next episode of Roadside Rescue. That's a job well done.